Hi, welcome to my channel. Before going into this particular video, I would like to mention one point. I still remember one particular movie named Dar. In that movie, that time I think the movie was released in the year 1993. 93. Yaj Chopra produced and directed by Yaj Chopra. In that movie, the hero was Sunny Deol. Sunny Deol movie. But in that movie, I was not able to go along with Sunny Deol. Though he was the hero, I am not able to go along with the Sunny Deol. I just settled down with the Shah Rukh Khan, who played the villain. He was a lover boy in that movie. He played a villain role. Why I am coming to say this particular one, I still remember the song Jadu Deri Nazar. In this particular video, we are going to share one particular thing. Today, we made a jackpot profit in Wipro stock. But in this week, everybody was talking about the Infosys Q1 result. Though the Infosys Q1 result is already known to the public, it may be some kind of cut in loss in double digit, but people are talking about the Infosys result. But like what I said about the Shah Rukh Khan movie, I was just focusing on the other stock called Wipro, because the junior Premji, the Rishad Premji, told one particular point. He stressed very well in front of the shareholders meeting, the AGM, the Wipro's AGM on this Monday, 13th of this month. He told that there won't be any layoff in Wipro company, there won't be any pay cut, there won't be any retrenchment in Wipro. So I catch the point. So Wipro is going to be in limelight. So this man, this new young man, the new junior Premji will take this stock to next level. So I pointed out particular strike price, say the Wipro 260 call option. I picked this 260 call option. I recommended this particular strike price, this call option, to my online trading tips magazine subscribers. My online trading tips magazine is Bull Street Casino, everybody will know. So we recommended. Today we recommended this particular stock at the price of 1 rupees 50 paise. The stock has the lot size is 3200. This went up to 13 rupees 50 paise. See what a growth on a single day. Within few hours, this particular stock, Wipro 260 call option, gave a massive jackpot profit to my subscribers. So this is what I used to look at the stocks in a different way. So I used to apply the lateral approach towards picking up the stock as well as the right strike price, because in this particular stock the strike price 260 has the premium of just 1 rupee. It started with 1 rupee, but we catched at 1 rupee 50 paise. Though this particular strike price was traded at 70 paise in 2 days back. So we pointed out, we identified this script 2 days back, but today only we made this jackpot at 1 rupee 50 paise to 13 rupee 50 paise. See, massive growth, 12 rupees gain with a lot size of 3200. Imagine such a massive profit. So this is my kind of trading, this is my style of trading. If you follow me, you can also make money. So please follow my Facebook status, and please watch this video, please watch this channel, please do support this channel. And if at all you want to make more money, please subscribe to this channel, as well as if you want to have a paid service, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine. Thank you very much.